Namaste, how are you guys? So today is a really exciting day. Firstly, it's Mother's Day, and secondly, I'm gonna swap life with my mom today. Now, as exciting as that sounds, I'm not super excited about this because that means I get to do everything she does for the day and she will do everything I do for a day. Since it's Sunday, I don't do much, so she just has to scroll through social media and then just chill. While I have to do everything she does, and since it's lockdown, she's like a complete homemaker now, so she does everything herself from jhadu pocha to like bartan cooking, everything. So yeah, it's gonna be hard, but I'm super excited to take up this challenge and just see how well I do in this. Also, I'm super sorry, I just woke up so my face looks like this. Please excuse that. And also my mom will come after she showers. She's not ready for it right now. So I told her to write down everything she does throughout the day, so her routine is here with me. And the first thing she does in the morning is have tea. So we're gonna go make tea and then we'll go ahead and do something else. Let's go.
Give me tea. Thank you.
Guys, my mom already took my position. She's just lying down doing nothing. I'm done with having tea, and yeah, it was kind of different experience for me to start my day with the tea, and now I feel so hot, like I'm sweating and it's just not happening. So yeah, anyway, now it's time for jhadu pocha. So lucky for me, I have such tools, so I don't have to sit down and do it, which I feel super blessed about. So I'm gonna do jhadu pocha now and then see you guys later. This is something fun now, like jhadu pocha is fun because I'm gonna put music on. Let's go. Jhadu pocha is done. And I did not realize to turn on the fan after doing the jhadu. So even while I was doing the pocha, the fan was still off and now I'm like super sweaty. I'm glad it's over now. Secondly, now we'll move over to the lunch. Now if I were Dhwani, I would have showered after making lunch because I know I'm gonna sweat a lot while making lunch as well. So never mind. So now we'll just go and shower. Because I'm being my mom today and my mom is being me, we might just dress up like that. Who knows? So see you guys after showering now. So guys, we are ready. I wore kurti because that's what my moms wear every day and her kurti won't fit me at all. So she's wearing my top and I'm wearing her kurti, and we are gonna now also like this kurti is like this, but like it's too hot, so I'm just gonna pretend like it has V-neck. So I'm gonna start cooking full meal. That means I will have to cook rice, roti, dal and sabzi, and we also have amras. So I'm gonna be busy for the next 1.5 hours, I think, at least. So see you guys. just wanted to share this. It's way too hot and I just absolutely hate the atta getting inside my nails. Also, look at this. My moisturizer is like melting off. So over here we have kachumbar, dal, amras, roti. Taste test, mummy, fatafat. Namak.
Barabar. Everything is perfect.
It's now time to do something which I absolutely hate, but we'll have to do it. And it's nothing but this. Let me know if I'm the only one who hates doing the dishes, because I'm someone who I'll do anything to avoid this. I just don't like it. I have gloves and everything, but I don't know. I don't like it. And let me know if you guys can relate with this as well. There are so many. Okay, I just wish I could just do this and everything would be clean. Okay, let's try that. So guys, we're done with a major thing. We have to do it tonight as well, but that's okay. So my mom is just enjoying watching TV, doing stuff, and I'm like, Garmi.
Dhwani today.
Hi, Garmi. All she does in the afternoon is she sleeps, and I'm someone who can't sleep no matter what. So I don't know, I'm just gonna go through my social media, but basically just chill and relax till 5:30, and then we'll make tea, and that's the plan for now. What are you gonna do? You can't sleep. Dhwani doesn't sleep in the afternoon.
I'm awake.
She's gonna watch TV. Anyway.
I will play PUBG.
2 hours later.
So guys, while I was busy playing games on my phone, my mom decided to have a nap.
I'm awake.
So unruly. Actually, I'll let her sleep because that's what she does. She also let me sleep when I'm sleepy, so it's okay. Now we are planning to make chai first. कुछ भी हो, नींद से उठो, पहले चाय पियो. Then we'll do TikToks. Okay, so TikTok is done. Now it's dinner time, and we are making idli for dinner. Now this is something I can cook, but I don't know how to make sambar. Sambar. How do you say that? Sambar. Sambar. Okay. Anyway, so my mom is gonna tell me how to make. And also she's gonna help me a little because that's what I do. I help a little. And that's basically it. We are making idlis and I cannot wait. I'm super hungry already. So let's get started and cook dinner. And then I also have to do the dishes again. Enjoying much, mummy?
Yes. I
Let's do this again.
That's it for this video. I am dead tired.
see how it's difficult to be mom.
It was difficult because I'm not used to it, maybe. Since you're used to it, you do it every day, you kind of have this habit now. Okay, so out of like 10, how do you think I did well? Like, rate?
I'll give you 9.
9. That's not bad. I'll take that.
One
I was
because you are
expecting like
tired.
7, 8 or something.
One less because you are tired.
What am I supposed to? I don't even work out or anything. Like, this is like my life now. Like, I'm just like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not sure what happened in this video. Honestly, I just forgot everything. I was just doing my work and vlogging everything. So yeah, how was your day?
My day was so good.
Yeah.
I feel like every time
Hmm.
Mother's Day should be like this. All mothers should have
A day off.
day off, yes, and enjoy like child, feeling good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, to be honest, I felt like this will be a little hard, and it was. But I thought I'll do it like easily because like I cook and all, but I don't do utensils and like jhadu pocha and all. Although we had a lot of things that made it like a little better. This will be like I guess your best Mother's Day.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Well, all that cake that I
No.
baked years ago didn't
No,
mean
not,
anything.
no, not like that. I like that also when you made first time all chits for me and decoration.
That's the first. That's one of the video. Yeah.
That I like.
Yeah. So that
I
was
was
like a
happy
gift.
that time also, and
Yeah.
today I'm super happy.
So guys, I would request you all if you haven't done this thing yet, take it up as a challenge and do it. Like
Yes.
I did it like that today. I
All
wanted
mothers
to.
will be happy.
And to be honest, after lockdown, I haven't even once washed utensils. I may have like maybe one or two, but like not everything altogether. So yeah, and I definitely don't look forward to doing that again. I just love my meals a little bit too much. So yeah, that was it. Also, the sambar was yummy. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
I made it good. For the first time, I think it was nice. Although she told me everything, but still it was nice. Anyway, so that's it for this video. I'll just end it here itself. Please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And also make sure you comment down below and let me know what did you do on Mother's Day? What did you do to make her feel special? It can be a tiny thing or a huge thing. But I want to know, so please make sure you comment down below and let me know. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.